We talk new and exciting things for the month of November right now. What is up, D3 fam? Welcome to this episode of D3. In this episode, we're going to talk about the park and construction updates for the month of November here at the Disneyland Resort. First, as usual, I would like to thank you all for your continued support of this channel. Remember, if you like what you see, go ahead and click the subscribe button below and become a member of the D3 family. Alright, D3 fam, it's the month of November. The year is almost over and there's a lot of things going on here at the Disneyland Resort. First, as usual, I'm going to give you guys an update on all the park and construction updates going on here at the Disneyland Resort, including the update on Avengers Campus over at California Adventure. Next, I'm going to go over some of the park closures for certain attractions that might be closed during the month of November for you guys, for your convenience. And lastly, of course, I'm going to go over some of the new exciting things going on at the Disney Resort, of course, which means the Festival of Holidays here at the park. With that being said, folks, let's get the party started. Okay, D3 fam, here's our first update of the day. We're over here at the Mickey and Friends parking structure, actually the Pixar Palace parking structure right here. You can see the construction of the new elevator going up over at the Mickey and Friends parking structure. Looks really well, and you have like some more concrete right there, the groundwork right there over by the Daisy level. So it looks really well. Hopefully this will be done, hopefully by the first of the year. Let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, we're here at Main Street, USA here at Disneyland. Pretty much we're at the entrance of Tomorrowland right here. As you can see, the walls are down. They made a huge progress in this area with the construction. They have all these, the planters are up and everything. They have a nice line here. As you look at my previous video, this was like mostly all walls. So, and remember, they used to have the Tomorrowland rocks here. So they're making huge progress right here in this area. You can pan around here towards the plaza end right there. They still have the walls up. They're still working on that area right there. So hopefully that should be done, hopefully within the next month. So with that being said, folks, let's go to our next update. Alright, D3 fam, our next update is here at the entrance of Tomorrowland here. You can see right across here, they're doing some restoration work on the murals at the entrance of Tomorrowland. You can look over here, you can see what I'm talking about better. They have the facade up right here. They were trying to restore the murals here from the original, I think, buildings here from back in the 1960s. So they're gonna bring this back to life, make it look really nice and shiny, probably in time for the holiday core, I should say, for Christmas. And they're doing the same thing on the other side over by the Buzz Lightyear attraction. So there you have it. They're doing some restoration projects over here at the entry of Tomorrowland. But let's go to our next update over by the Matterhorn. Alright, D3 fam, like I said, here we are over by the Matterhorn bobsled. As you can see, they're making huge progress here in the reconstruction project on the, I guess, the fantasy side, I think the Tomorrowland side of the Matterhorn bobsled, which was down for, I guess, they had some rocks that collapsed on the track a few months ago. But they got the rebar already done. They just got some little bit of the scaffolding left. You can look at my prior update, you can see the huge amount of progress they made in this area right here. So. But with that being said, I believe that one side, the Tomorrowland side, is still down temporarily. Hopefully be back up in time for like the Christmas holiday season or the first of the year. With that, but the other side, the Fantasyland side, is still functioning properly. Again, folks, this is your update on the Matterhorn bobsleds. Alright, D3 fam, our next update is here at Disneyland, is here at Galaxy's Edge. Over by the new attraction that's supposed to be opening up in January, Rise of the Resistance. As you can see, they have the petition walls up. Special note for you guys, these walls were not up about a month ago, which is a good sign for us who are fans of this attraction, which means they are very close to opening this attraction up. Now, you can see bits and pieces of the queue right here in between the bushes, but then they have the wall, petition walls pick up right over here. You can see the queue right there. So we're going to walk around towards the front of this attraction if you haven't seen it before. But this is exciting, especially for us Star Wars fans, that, hey, there's some progress being made in this area. And here's a regular entrance over here in Galaxy's Edge for the new attraction, Rise of the Resistance right here. So again, folks, hopefully, we're only about a month and a half away, in January 2020, Rise of the Resistance will be open. Alright D3 fam, we're over here at California Adventure looking over from the northeast side of the construction of Avengers Campus here at California Adventure. You can see a lot of progress is being made over here. I'm zooming in for you guys real quick. You can see all the construction going on with the new e-ticket attraction on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I believe is the one of the new eateries over there. So a lot of progress being made, folks, on this end. We're going to go take a look on the southwest portion of the construction over there to see how it looks over there. Let's go take a look. Alright D3 fam, like I said before, here's an update from the southwest portion of the construction of the Avengers Campus here at California Adventure. As you can see, they're making huge progress in this area right here with the facade of the new Spider-Man attraction right there. It looks very good. I cannot wait till this opens in sometime next year in 2020. Again, here's the construction update of the Avengers Campus here at California Adventure. Alright D3 fam, here's our last construction update of this episode. We are over here in Mickey's Toontown here at Disneyland. Do you notice what's missing? Yes, the mountain range here at Toontown is missing. The mountain range is temporarily down for what? Construction of the new Disney new attraction here in Toontown, Mickey's Runaway Railroad, which will be opening in 2022. So this is going to be a good addition to the park, I believe. It's going to bring more people back over here towards Toontown. So with that being said, folks, temporarily the mountain range here in Toontown is down for the construction of the new Mickey's Runaway Railroad. Alright D3 fam, now that you're all caught up with the construction and the closures here at the Disneyland Resort here at Disneyland, now I'm going to give you an update what's going on here currently at the parks right now. Alright D3 fam, to continue what's going on new here at the Disneyland Resort in the month of November is of course the Festival of Holidays here right behind me at California Adventure. Let's go take a quick sneak peek at it. Alright D3 fam, like I said, we're walking through the Festival of Holidays here at California Adventure. It's a very fun event. I plan on doing another series later on this month on the Festival of Holidays to try out the different foods here at these events. It's going to be really cool. A lot of tasty treats here. You have grandma's recipes right there and a lot of cool stuff over here. I saw the shrimp and grits earlier, so I'm planning on trying that later on this month as well. So again, we're over here at the Festival of Holidays Food and Wine Festival here at Disney's California Adventure. It's a really fun event. Alright folks, I would like to close this episode on a nice high note. This is the last update of the day. This is It's a Small World holiday here at the Disneyland Resort. Of course, this is probably one of the most popular attractions during the holiday season. You see it looks spectacular with all the lights and how it's all lit up and everything like that. It's a very fun attraction, especially during the holiday season. Again, this is It's a Small World holiday. I believe this version will be up all the way through, I think, the first week of January. Well folks, there you have it. That's your monthly update for the month of November here at the Disneyland Resort. I hope you really enjoyed it. I want to know what are you guys looking forward to this holiday season here at the Disneyland Resort? Please leave your comment below and let me know what you guys think. With that being said folks, this concludes this episode of D3. Thanks again for watching. As usual, feel free to leave a comment below. And also, if you already haven't done so, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. And also remember to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Twitter. See you next time.